Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be talking about balance. So balance is, in my opinion, I think, just like looking at the different examples and looking through the reasoning of it, I feel like balance is fundamental to how the universe works. Balance is like the idea of having a reason to balance out the idea. So you have an idea, you're like, how about this? Then it's like, okay, well, you need this balance. You want this, well, you need something to allow that to happen. Again, a balance. And so you have a chain reaction. The question is, what came before the chain reaction? What allowed that chain reaction to happen? You have a positive, okay, well, why do you have a positive? Shouldn't you have a negative to balance it out, to equilibrate it? So to get it down to zero again. So it's like all these different things. Balance is like the reason for something. And if you can balance it out, I think that's what it comes down to. It's like saying, well, you have this, okay, you have a +3. How did you get a +3 out of 0? Oh, you had a -3. And then how did you have a +1? Okay, well, you had two minus 0.5s, but it's still balance out. You still have these reasons for it. So if you have a chain reaction, if you have an action, then you know there's a requirement for it and a consequence. Okay, well, that consequence, that's going to cause another action, and then that action is going to cause more and more consequences, and then those consequences are going to cause more actions. You're going to have a bunch of requirements along the way. You also, now the very first one, what came before that? Okay, and then what came before that? And so you have a constant infinity of balance, of saying like, well, what came before that? What balanced out that part? And what balanced out that part? Now, what is possible is that the way the universe works is it's like sinusoidal in the sense of it's a loop, like it loops back and forth. Sometimes you'd say, oh, well, does it go on forever in this direction? Like time, does it go on forever in this direction? Or does it eventually go back in the other direction? It could be a bunch of things. It could also be like mirror universes. There's all sorts of things. But the key part is the balance. The balance is the reason for. There's always a reason for things, right? There's always a reason behind things. That's the balancing act. That's what balances out the thing. That's what says you're allowed to have this. It makes logical sense. It's not weird. So you guys, that's why I believe that balance is fundamental to how the universe works. Hope you liked the video. I make a lot more videos like this. You can check them out, and I'll see you in the next one.